Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and this tiny item is so useful, I can't even show you the other one that comes with it because I'm using it. These are the Cellularize USB-C extender adapter. They are so small, they're a little bit bigger than my thumbnail, but they are so useful. Now, with my phone, I have a protective case, and that usually allows me to connect my charger. But if I'm using anything like a microphone for my videography, I usually can't plug this in without taking the protective case off. So this USB-C extender allows me to connect my microphone, attach it to myself, and the receiver is now going to be connected to my phone without having to take off my case. I now can take it anywhere, indoors or out. Whether it's windy, I'm going to get a clear audio recording and still have my phone protected at the same time. You can see even with the extender, it's connecting to my microphone and is working as if it was connected directly into my phone. These extenders solve so many problems that I have and make it possible to use so many other items that need to plug into my phone. And that's my point of view.